Recently, we just picked up one of these smart home cleaning robots, and not only does it vacuum, but it mops. I want to mop our kitchen floors. It just finished vacuuming. You know how like dirt and stuff gets all trapped around the edges? Well, we had so much down here. We haven't been home to clean in a minute, and it's cleaned a lot of it up. But I want to mop. I already pulled this out. This thing you just pinch and pull out. So you get this little piece right here, and then you get the mop guy, and then all you do is just slide it in like that. And it just stays in. When you want to get it out, you just pinch and pull it out. Super easy. Now we just gotta fill up this base with water. I think this is how you fill it up in here. There's a little drain port. I don't know if I mentioned this because this is more focused on the other video, but you never really have to open this thing because it has a motor in the base that sucks all of this out. Here, let me show it to you really quick. So here's the base right here, and it even docks itself. At the very top, you can open this up and all the dirt and crummy stuff goes into this bag, which you can easily pull out. So cool station overall. I'm just gonna turn this upside down. I'm going to push it in here. It's in German, by the way. Girlfriend and I thought that would be funny. Now, how do you run the like mopping? I've already had it map out our house, so I only want it to do certain areas. Now, these areas are pre-mapped. I'm not gonna show it to you just for privacy, but it basically maps everywhere it wants to go. Every room, every kind of sector of your house. You can put no-go zones, you can edit the map, you can restrict certain areas, you can custom edit. There's tons of things you can do here. But I only want it to do the kitchen. I don't want it to do the living area where there's carpet. So all I need to do is basically just select this area. There's a part in here where you can select zone cleaning. So click that, confirmed, it grays out everything, and then you just basically go in and you select the rooms that you want. You leave out the carpet area. It's crazy, it didn't do this before when I didn't have that mop attachment in. It automatically put it to sweep, but now that I have that mop attachment on, it's sweep and mop. So it already knows what I wanna do. We'll just leave the water adjustment at the middle. The suction is at max just because our house is pretty dirty beforehand. And then we just hit confirm. So we're doing a sweep and a mop. You can schedule this, by the way, to run at night. That's what we typically do. So it just doesn't interfere with us when we come home, or we'll have it sometimes do it when we're at work, just because we like the house to be clean. That's gonna be our schedule. It's basically gonna be running all the time that we're not home, just to keep everything really clean. But anyways, I can just click start cleaning, and it starts cleaning. When it starts mopping, I've never seen that before, so we can take a look at that. Oh, it is mopping. Oh, maybe it vacuums and then it mops. I don't know. I really don't know. I've never seen this before. It's like, it's kind of like, it's peeing. But I guess this is what it looks like. I don't know if you can hear it, but we decided, again, to put it in German, and I still think it's funny, but it's also very confusing. So if you wanted to get like a pretty care, that's what this brand is called. Say hello to Teddy. Girlfriend called him Teddy, and this is our new friend. It vacuums, it mops, does it on a schedule, tons of controls that you can do. It works great. We haven't had any issues with it. We've been using it for a little bit. Let me move out of the way so it doesn't run me over, but you can see it's doing its thing. So if you wanted to pick up one, I'll have it in the description below the like button. They also have other cool different stuff on their website. We're gone so much and we don't like cleaning, so this seemed to work wonders for us. It has a lot of features, and if you like it, it'll be in the description below the like button.